Hey, handy helpers, it's me, Andy, and welcome to my workshop where we fix it, build it, and learn it together. Today, I'm turning these blocks of wood into alphabet letters. Hey, do you want to help me and also learn about the alphabet? Awesome! Well, handy helpers, get your tools ready, because it's time to gear up and fix it up. Ready! The first letter of the alphabet is the letter A. A is for apple. Apple. Can you say apple with me? Apples are red and apples are green, but all apples are yummy. This is the letter B. B is for ball. Ball. Can you say ball? Balls go bounce, bounce, bounce high up in the air. This is the letter C. C is for car. Car. Can you say car? Cars have 4 wheels that go vroom, vroom, vroom. This is the letter D. D is for dog. Dog. Can you say dog? Dogs love going on walks in the park. This is the letter E. E is for eggs. Eggs. Can you say eggs? Eggs come from chickens. This is the letter F. F is for fish. Fish. Can you say fish? Fish live in the ocean. This is the letter G. G is for grapes. Grapes. Can you say grapes? Grapes are yummy and juicy. This is the letter H. H is for hat. Hat. Can you say hat with me? You wear your hat on your head. This is the letter I. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. Can you say ice cream?
Ice cream! Ice cream!
Ice cream is very cold. This is the letter J. J is for jelly. Jelly. Can you say jelly? Jelly and peanut butter sandwiches is one of my favorite snacks. This is the letter K. K is for kite. Kite. Can you say kite? Kites fly really high up in the sky. This is the letter L. L is for lemons. Lemons. Can you say lemons? Lemons are fruits that are yellow. This is the letter M. M is for moon. Moon. Can you say moon? The moon glows really bright at nighttime. This is the letter N. N is for nail. Nail. Can you say nail? A hammer goes tap, tap, tap to the nail. This is the letter O. O is for orange. Oh, orange. Can you say orange? Orange is a fruit, and orange is also a color. Pretty cool, huh? This is the letter P. P is for paint. Paint. Can you say paint? I love painting with my paintbrush. This is the letter Q. Q is for quiet. Quiet. Can you say quiet? Means it's quiet time. This is the letter R. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. Can you say rainbow? Rainbows are up high in the sky after it rains, and they're super colorful. This is the letter S. S is for sun. Sun. Can you say sun? The sun lights up the whole sky during the day like a giant light bulb.
Awesome!
This is the letter T. T is for train. Train. Can you say train? Trains go choo-choo. This is the letter U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Can you say umbrella? I use an umbrella outside when it rains so I don't get wet. This is the letter V. V is for vegetable. Vegetable. Can you say vegetable? Vegetables make you strong and healthy. They're super delicious. Yummy. This is the letter W. W stands for water. Water. Can you say water? A pool is filled with water. This is the letter X. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Can you say X-ray? X-rays are pictures of your bones. Pretty cool, huh? This is the letter Y. Y is for yellow. Yellow. Can you say yellow? Yellow is my favorite color to paint pictures with. This is the letter Z. Z is for zoo. Zoo. Can you say zoo? Zoos are where you go to visit all kinds of different animals. Wow, handy helpers, we really did it. We made our wooden letters spell the whole alphabet. We learned every letter from A to Z. Hey, what's your favorite letter? Is it B for ball? Or is it T for train? Awesome! Thanks for learning your ABCs with me, Handy Helpers. Let's give a big alphabet high five! And remember, at Andy's workshop, we fix it, build it, and learn it together. See you next time!